Jen. Surprise daw from Ron. Happy anniversary daw.
Thank you.
May letter siya for you. Gusto niyo ibasahin ko for you? Okay lang ba? Sige ito. Sa lingkod ka rin ba? Hindi. Sige.
Sa lingkod ka?
Oo. Brother niya ako doon.
Uuwi ka lang.
Ha?
Nagbakasyon.
Hindi. Lingkod, Manila.
Manila.
Okay, sige ito. Baby, we may be miles apart, but our love conquered the physical distance that exists between us. I honor you for being loving to your parents, sister, and as a girlfriend. You are so thoughtful, sweet, and caring. You see to it that all the needs of your loved ones are met, even though at times you forget about your own needs. Your patience in all circumstances is very amazing, and it's very long. Despite of the difficulties that you're going through, one of the best characters that I admire to you is your being faithful to the Lord. I am being inspired by your devotion. Boo daw. Boo. Thanks for the care, love, and understanding. Hope to have many more anniversaries with you. Hugs and I love you, Boo. Care lots. Ron. Yes, happy anniversary to both of you.
Thank you po. Nahirapan ko po.